Konnichiwa minasan. Today we'll be discussing another grammar point. In this video, we'll tackle about nioru and niotte as a grammar pattern. This covers the variation of its form and usages depending on the purpose of the sentence. Sorede wa hajimemashou. Nioru or niotte can be translated as depending on, according to, because of, or by means of. This grammar pattern can be used in different ways, which shows the cause, source, or method, and it highlights that changes or result is based on something. There are four main usages of nioru or niotte. Number one is expressing that the change is based on the subject, which can be translated as depending to. For example, hito ni yotte kangai kata ga chigaimasu. Hito ni yotte kangai kata ga chigaimasu. Depending on the person, ways of thinking differ. Kisetsu ni yotte tenki ga kawarimasu. Kisetsu ni yotte tenki ga kawarimasu. Depending on the season, the weather changes. In these examples, you will notice that the clause changes depends on the subject. Number two, these can be used to highlight the reason or cause of an event. Take note that this can only be applied on natural or uncontrollable causes and not on personal reason of the speaker. Tatoeba, ame ni yotte shiai ga chushi ni narimashita. Ame ni yotte shiai ga chushi ni narimashita. Due to rain, the match was cancelled. Jiko ni yotte densha ga okorete imasu. Jiko ni yotte densha ga okorete imasu. Because of an accident, trains are delayed. In these sentences, it explains that the occurrences happen because of the natural cause. Number three, this can also be used to indicate the source where the information comes from. For example, kono hanashi wa sensei no hanashi ni yotte wakarimashita. Kono hanashi wa sensei no hanashi ni yotte wakarimashita. According to the teacher, explanation, I understood it. According to the teacher's explanation, I understood it. Chosa ni yotte wakata koto ga arimasu. Chosa ni yotte wakata koto ga arimasu. According to the survey, something became clear. In this sentence example, niyotte function as according to. You will also notice different forms of nioru depending on which part of speech it is connected. Nioru is used if it comes before a noun. It also acts as a modifier of a noun. For example, Sensei ni yoru setsume. Sensei ni yoru setsume. Explanation by teacher. Niyotte. These can be used before a verb or to complete or as a transitional phrase of another sentence. For example, Hitto niyotte chigaimasu. Hitto niyotte chigaimasu. Differs depending on the person. Then here comes Niori. Niori is a special form which has the same meaning and often used for formal writings. For example, Uten ni chushi. Uten ni chushi. Suspension due to rain. So all of these do have the same meanings. We use nioru for nouns, niote and nioru for verbs or for connecting full sentences, and niori for formal writings. If you like this simple lesson, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Mite ko desate, arigato gozaimasu.